Good morning, rail fans. It's Bruce. I am at the Starkey Rd railroad crossing in Largo, Florida. My first time ever being here. And it is a busy road. I waited for a little break in traffic. And the local train on the Clearwater sub is on its way back. And here they come, nice and slowly. 10-mile-an-hour speed limit on the Clearwater sub. 2063 leading. Got a little wave from the engineer. Today for being on the Clearwater sub. Mostly open rock hoppers. And one tanker. Boy, that's unusual to see on this line. Slight bend there. And I'm standing on a sidewalk